Hi viewers, good morning. Good morning to everybody. I hope you are fine. By the God's grace, I'm very happy. Thank you for following my classes. Thank you for supporting me. So in the previous classes, I explained some types of conjunctions like when, while, as soon as, before, after, no sooner than, hardly when, scarcely when, though, although. These are all. Why? Because these are all very important in exam point of view. Why? Because you will be given two sentences. Definitely one question will be asked, one to two questions will be asked regarding these linkers. Two sentences will be given and you will be asked connect the two sentences by using when, connect the two sentences by using as soon as or before, after. That's why I explained very clearly. I hope you understood my classes. So in the present class also I would like to take one more set of conjunctions. Okay, let us start. Welcome to my class. In the present class I am going to take the sets 2 to, so that not, to, so that not. We use the word to in negative meaning. For example, this box is very heavy. So I can't lift it. This box is so heavy or very heavy, I can't lift it. One negative sentence. Okay. How can we connect the sentence by using to? Let me take this subject is so tough. This subject is so tough that I can't understand it. This subject is so tough that I can't understand it. The question is given in this pattern. Have you observed that? So that not. When the question is given with so that not, we can convert that into to. When the question is given in to, you can convert that into so that not. So in that way these two are interlinked. They depend on each other. When the question is given with to, you can convert into so that not. When the question is given with so that not, you can convert into to. How? Let us see the answer for that. For this question, what is the answer? This subject is too tough. Here I am taking the first one. What is that? Too tough. Here, this subject is the subject of this sentence here. Here, what is the subject here? I. What is the subject here? I. That means this subject and this subject both are not same. Okay, when these two subjects are not same, then we should take the word for and we should take the objective form. Objective form is me. Okay, this subject is too tough for me. What is the verb there? To understand. To understand. There ends the matter. I repeat. When the question is given with so that not, we have to use to. When to is given, we have to use so that not. It's very clear. So this subject is too tough. Here why I have taken for me? Subjects are different. Here what is the subject here? This subject. This subject is the subject here, subject of the sentence. Here what is subject here? I. When the subjects are different, we should take for me, for him, for her, for them in that way. When the subjects are same, we need not take like that. Let us see in the next sentence. For example, I am so weak that I can't lift this box. What is the question here? I am so weak that I can't lift this box. Here if you observe this sentence, subjects are same. Here what is the subject here? I. Here what is the subject here? I. When the subjects are same, we need not take for me, for them, for her, all those things. Here what is the process here? I am too weak to lift this box. I am too weak to lift this box. Here if you observe, I am not taking any for me, for that, something like that. Why? Because subjects are same. What is subject here? I. What is subject here? I. This is the way how you have to connect with two. I hope it is clear to you. Two models I told you here. One is subjects are different. When subjects are different, you should take for me, for them, like that. Okay? Let me take one more example. This is the question, and here this is the question. Okay? This coffee is so hot. This coffee is so hot. I can't sip it. I can't sip it. So here if you observe, this coffee is the subject here. I is the subject here. That means subjects are different. Then we should take for me. Why? Because subject is I. For example, instead of I, let me take he. Then for him. Okay? This coffee is too hot for him. Why? Because what is the subject here? He. Objective form is him. Okay? Understood this? This coffee is too hot for him to sip. Too hot for him to sip. I hope this is clear to you. Am I clear? So now, if the question is given with two, then you have to write this one as the answer. Also, I completed 2 here. For example, this subject is too tough for me to understand. If they give this one as a question, this one will be the answer. If they give this one and if they ask you to connect with so that not, then you have to write this way. If they give, for example, this coffee is too hot for him to sip, then this one will be the answer. What is that? This coffee is so hot that he can't sip it. That he can't sip it. So in this way, we completed 2 and so that not. If they give is so that not, we write with 2. If they give with 2, then we write with so that not. I hope it is clear to you. Next we left one. What is that? So that.
Thank you for watching this class. I hope you understood this class. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.